What if your money could invest automatically 24 hours and 7 days in the most profitable assets while you sleep? Today, I will show you how to set it up and take full control of your financial goal. Stay tuned. Manually managing finances is exhausting. You are constantly checking accounts, adjusting investment, and sometimes missing out on growth opportunity because you were not available to act fast. I have been there, and I knew there had to be a smarter way. That's when I discovered financial automation. With the right system, you can automatically move your money into higher investments like index funds, real estate stock, and even cryptocurrency. It's like having a digital financial advisor working for you 24 hours and 7 days. Let's set this up step by step. First, choose an auto investing platform like a Robo-advisor or a crypto trading bot. Then link your saving or checking account and set recurring transfer. You can also specify your preferred asset allocation to diversify your investments. Here is a powerful pro tip. Connect your automation tools with real-time alert or market signal. For example, you can automate crypto buy during low volatility period or set alert to review changes in your auto investment portfolio every quarter. Now that you have automated your finances, take it to the next level. Watch my next video on the top 5 high-year investments you can automate today to learn where to allocate your funds for maximum growth. Thank you.